In this video, we're going to learn a little bit about the linear model and how it is used in statistics. The linear regression model is equivalent to the formula for the slope of a line, y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. In statistics, notation for this model may vary. For example, when using your TI-83 or TI-84 graphing calculator, you may see y hat equals ax plus b, where a is the slope and b is the y-intercept. You might also see y hat equals b sub 0 plus b sub 1x, where b sub 0 is the y-intercept and b sub 1 is the slope. Interpreting a linear regression model is pretty straightforward. For example, if we take the model y hat equals 20 plus 0.75x, we can interpret that to mean for every 1 unit increase in x, y increases by 0.75. If we have a linear model y hat equals 20 minus 0.75x, then we can interpret it as for every 1 unit increase in x, y decreases by 0.75. If your slope is positive, then your regression line is moving upward on the graph. In other words, as x is increasing, y is also increasing. Whereas if you have a negative slope, as x is increasing, your y values are decreasing. We can build a linear regression model if we have information for the following: the mean for x, known as x bar, the mean for y, called y bar, s sub x, which is the standard deviation for x, s sub y, which is the standard deviation for y, and our correlation, lowercase r. Let's do an example. Suppose we have a mean for x of 15.3, a mean for y of 22.1, a standard deviation for x of 7.0, a standard deviation for y of 9.2, and a correlation of 0.86. First, we need to find the slope, b sub 1, using the formula b sub 1 equals r times the standard deviation for y divided by the standard deviation for x. Our next step is to find the y-intercept, b sub 0, using the formula b sub 0 equals the mean for y minus b sub 1 times the mean for x. Using the formulas for slope and y-intercept, let's calculate the slope for the information given to us. The slope, b sub 1, is equal to 0.86, which is our correlation, times the standard deviation of y, which is 9.2, divided by the standard deviation of x, which is 7.0. When we calculate this, we get 1.13. That's our slope. Now we need to calculate the y-intercept using our formula b sub 0 equals the mean for y minus b sub 1 times the mean for x. So b sub 0 equals 22.1, which is our mean for y, minus the slope that we just found, 1.13, times 15.3, which is our mean for x. That gives us a y-intercept of 4.81. We can use our slope and our y-intercept to now construct our linear model. Using the formula y hat equals b sub 0 plus b sub 1 times x, we get y hat equals 4.81 plus 1.13x. That is our linear model based on the given data.